And the strangest part is, every single one of these places is completely real. 5 places on this planet that look like they were designed by someone who never visited Earth. No CGI, no filters. Just the world being genuinely unbelievable. Number 1. A lake in Australia that is bubblegum pink. Not because of pollution, not because of algae blooms, but because of a specific combination of halophilic bacteria and a rare salt crust that reacts with sunlight in a way scientists still don't fully understand. And the color doesn't transfer. If you scoop the water into a glass, it goes clear. Number 2. Underground caves in New Zealand where the ceiling is covered in thousands of bioluminescent glowworms, creating a natural sky of living blue stars above a silent underground river. You ride through it in a boat in complete silence. Guides don't speak. The worms are sensitive to sound and will turn off their light if startled. You are floating under a living galaxy. Number 3. In Antarctica, a waterfall that bleeds. The water runs deep red from iron-rich brine trapped under a glacier for over 1,000,000 years. When it meets oxygen, it oxidizes, and the glacier appears to bleed from a crack in the ice. Scientists debate whether microbial life found inside that ancient water, completely cut off from sunlight for 1,000,000 years, could be the closest thing on Earth to life on another planet. Some say yes, others say we're projecting. Either way, the glacier bleeds. Number 4. In Turkey, a mountain covered in snow-white terraces filled with warm turquoise pools cascading down a hillside like a frozen waterfall. Except it's not frozen. It's calcium carbonate deposited by thermal springs over thousands of years. People have bathed in these pools since ancient Rome. You are soaking in the same water ancient Romans called miraculous, on a structure that nature built over millennia. That looks like it shouldn't exist. And number 5. An island so isolated from the rest of the world for millions of years that 37% of its plant species exist nowhere else on Earth, including the dragonblood tree, which looks like it was drawn by a child who had never seen a real tree, with a flat canopy held up by a perfectly smooth trunk, bleeding dark red sap when cut. This island didn't evolve to look alien. It just never stopped evolving alone, but the place that made every geologist who visited it genuinely question what they knew. That one is actually